Hello, everyone. Welcome to today's session on the light side of the internet. Today, we are diving into the fascinating world where the internet intersects with the interpersonal communication, civic engagement, and the importance of network. Let's start by exploring the profound relationship between the internet and interpersonal communications. Habang nag-navigate tayo sa digital realm, nakikita natin ang ating mga sarili na patuloy na nakikipag-usap, nagbabahagi ng mga saloobin, nagpapahayag ng mga emotions sa pamamagitan ng iba't ibang online platforms like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and so on and so forth. The internet has become a bridge connecting people across vast distances, allowing for instant communication and interactions. Now, dumako naman tayo sa mga advantage and disadvantage ng internet in developing interpersonal communications. On one hand, the internet has offered conveniences, accessibility, and a wide range, enabling us to connect with friends, family, and colleagues effortlessly. However, there is a however. May mga hamon tulad ng kakulangan ng harapang pakikipag-ugnayan, potensyal na hindi pagkakaunawaan, or misunderstanding dahil sa text-based ng komunikasyon. At ang panganib na labis na impormasyon or yung tinatawag natin na information overload. Now, moving on, let's discuss how the internet intertwines with civic engagement. Sa digital na mundo ngayon, ang internet ay nagsisilbing isang makapangyarihang tool or bagay para sa pagpapakilos ng mga komunidad, pagpapataas ng kamalayan tungkol sa mga isyong panlipunan, at pagpapadali sa mga paggalaw ng katutubo. From online petitions to social media campaigns, the internet empowers individuals to voice their opinions, advocates for change, and actively participate in shaping society. And last but not least, let's also emphasize the importance of having networks. Network plays a crucial role in fostering connections, sharing information, and collaborations towards common goal. Whether it is building professional relationships, pagpapalawak ng mga social circles, or pag-access ng mga pagkukunan ng mga incomes or whatever kind of businesses you have, right? Ang mga network ay nagsisilbing backbone ng ating pagkakaugnay sa mundo na nagtutulak ng pagbabago at nagpapaunlad ng komunidad. And that's it. There you have it. The light side of the internet illuminating our path towards enhanced communication, active civic engagements, and interconnected communities. Keep on exploring, keep on connecting, and keep on harnessing the positive potentials of digital age. Until next time, keep on shining. Bye!